Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can fix the refresh button not showing in your Shift AI browser. So let's dive into this. Alright guys, so launch the Shift AI browser on your desktop computer or laptop. And as you can see, I have hidden the refresh button for the sake of this tutorial to show you how to unhide it if you accidentally removed it. So as you can see, there's no refresh button here next to the URL address. And this one in the top right corner, guys, that's a synchronization button. So that's not the same. So this is how you can fix this. There are three ways how you can fix this. Option number one, you right click into the given page you're currently at. So let me go with google.com, for instance, right click, select reload, or use the shortcut Ctrl+R. Option number two, use the shortcut F5 on your keyboard, and that is going to reload the page or refresh it as well. And then there's option number three, if you'd like to add it back to your toolbar. It was added for me on default after I downloaded and installed the Shift AI browser, but if you accidentally removed it, guys, you will need to navigate to that gear icon in the top right. Here, scroll down, and next to the personal or below the personalization tab, click into build your browser to customize the toolbar here at the top. Next, switch to controls and make sure that you add the reload button here to the position where you'd like to have it, like for instance here again, or here in the top left between the undo and forward button, then click into save here. And now as you can see, the refresh button is back again. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.